Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at retail arbitrage. I'm going to explain what it is, what you need to know, why it's nothing to be worried about or concerned about. It is something very, very simple that can make you a lot of money. So let's break it down, baby. Retail arbitrage is like being a smart shopper with a business twist. Here's how it works. You look for products that are selling for a low price in one place, you buy them and then sell them for a higher price somewhere else. Like Amazon, you can sell it on eBay, but we're more talking about Amazon here. It's like finding a great deal on a pair of shoes at a sale and then selling them to someone who has missed out on that sale. The difference in price is where you make your profit. And you can use many different tools to help you along the way. Now let's talk about the nitty gritty. You start by scouting for products that are being sold for less than they are worth. This could be at a clearance sales, thrift stores, or even online. Once you've got your hands on these goodies, you turn around and then sell them in a different place where people are willing to pay more, such as Amazon. It's a bit like playing the middleman, making a profit from the price difference between where you bought it and you sold it. Retail versus online arbitrage. Let's look at the differences here. There are two ways to do this, retail and online. Retail arbitrage involves physically going to stores, finding great deals, and then reselling them either in other physical stores or online. It's like being a bargain hunting detective in real life. On the flip side, online arbitrage is all about buying and selling exclusively through digital platforms like Amazon or eBay. You never have to leave your house. It's a bit like being a digital deal maker. The benefits of doing retail arbitrage then is obvious. Why bother with all this? Well, there are some pretty cool perks. The profit potential, the main gig is making money. Buy low, sell high. That price difference is your paycheck, a tale as old as time. Low initial investment, you don't need a ton of cash to start. Begin small. As you make more money, you can grow your operation. Flexible schedule, you're your own boss. And you can pick when to find deals, list products, and handle orders. Perfect if you've got other stuff on the go, like a full-time 9-to-5 job. Diverse product opportunities, from gadgets to gizmos. There's a whole world of products out there and deals to be had. It's like having your own virtual store with an ever-changing inventory. Entrepreneurial learning. It's not just about making money. You pick up some serious cool skills, figuring out what's hot in the market, negotiating like a pro, setting prices, marketing, and keeping customers happy. Now, the good thing about doing Amazon FBA over FBM, and FBM is fulfilled by merchant, FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. FBA allows Amazon to take away all of the stress of packing, dealing with customers, and all of that good stuff. That is why on this channel we promote FBA over FBM. FBM is just you. Amazon FBA for us definitely outweighs FBM or any other selling platform. Amazon is the biggest selling platform in the entire world, and you can actually sell all your products through it using registered brands. So it is the cleanest way to start your online business. And with Deal Hunters, here comes the plug, you can actually get free deals within our free Discord group. So click the link down below to get access to our Discord, and better yet, you can get our premium service for as little as £5 for 2 days trial. You can actually see all the profitable deals that we talked about in this video, how easy it is to find deals elsewhere on sale and sell them on Amazon, and that profit margin. We tell you all of that information so you can start making a lot of money today and start an Amazon journey that won't only make you short-term money, it will actually change your entire life if you're willing to let it happen. Work hard, you will see the results. There is no doubt in my mind, it has changed my life, it has changed the rest of my team's life. It's just something that you've got to just be open to do, work hard at it, and you will be your own boss and have everything that you want to achieve in life. Now, here are some extra little things worth thinking about before you start your journey today. Mix things up, add new products or expand into related areas. You let technology do the heavy lifting, automate routine tasks so you can focus on growing. Build a brand. Make your business memorable for repeat customers. We just mentioned brand. That is your end goal. You want to be starting Amazon FBA at a small scale. Develop the skills, learn the skills, grow as you get there. Do Amazon wholesale, which we have a course on, and then you'll go into private label and creating your own brand. Sure, there are risks like competition, market changes, but with some smarts and a bit of hustle, you could turn it into a pretty sweet gig. Is it worth the risk? I think it is absolutely worth the risk. It is a small investment to start this. It is worth taking a chance on yourself. And I'm sure, like everybody else and all our members, you too will see the benefits of Amazon FBA. Please check out our links down below. If you have found this video informative, please like and subscribe, help us grow the channel, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.